Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 1991 Kawasaki Bayou 300. This is rare for us as we hardly ever get used quads in, but we took this one on trade. It's offered for $19.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It has, like I said, four-wheel drive, it has reverse, also has electric start. We put 4 brand new tires on it, went through, did an oil change, safety check, cleaned the carbs out, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. It has racks front and rear, also has some storage in the back. This red box that you see here comes with a hitch. Again, you're not going to find a better quad out there for $19.99 that has four-wheel drive and reverse on it. Again, here at Contra Costa Powersports for $19.99. You can also check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned vehicles just like this one.